this is Jenny Wheeler with Straightaway Travel. I'm here at the Dreams Aventuras Riviera Maya Resort in Riviera Maya, Mexico. It's part of the Hyatt All-Inclusive Collection, and it's a family resort. I'm going to take you on a tour of a King Preferred Marina View room. So with the Preferred, you get the option to have breakfast and lunch at Oceana Restaurant, as well as access to the club lounge and access to an additional pool that is for preferred guests only. We are going to start here in the bathroom. Here is a huge, giant walk-in shower, and they do have some toiletries here for you. Body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. Lots of fresh towels. Walking over here, there is a nice large vanity with double sinks. They even have special Hyatt Inclusive Collection incense, lotion. They have a lot of toiletries here. There's toothpaste, mosquito repellent, hair comb, a sewing kit, vanity kit, shoe mitt, shower cap, shave kit, and a dental kit. A nice makeup mirror. And walking out of the bathroom here, we do have a nice large closet. Comes with a steamer in case your clothes are wrinkled from your suitcase. Safe. And plenty of drawer space here. And on the other side of the closet, we have two beautiful plush robes, hangers, and slippers, as well as a luggage rack. There's also an extra pillow up top. Here is a nice big mirror so ladies can see their full outfit. This is a pull-out sofa couch. There's the vanity. Now this room does come with 24-hour room service. Just scan the QR code to take a look at the menus. There are US outlets, so you don't need to worry about bringing a converter. Reading lamps, plenty of pillows, and it comes with this lovely Dreams beach bag. Nice large TV, getting me excited to go to the spa. A letter from my husband and I, it's our anniversary. They did decorate the door for us. Wine. It's a nice little setup here with an espresso machine, water, some snacks. And here is our refrigerator that is fully stocked, and they do replenish this once a day, but if you need anything else, you just hit 0 on the phone and they are happy to bring it up to you. Coming outside here, you can see our marina view. And the pool down below, that is the Preferred pool. And the restaurant, that is Oceana. Again, that is only for preferred guests. And you have a lovely view of the marina. Look down here and also see the swim out rooms. And down over there is the ocean. When you're booking your next vacation, please consider Straightaway Travel. We don't charge any planning fees to work with us. You would pay the exact same price as booking online, but you have the most amazing travel agent team that come to the resorts. We visit them, we experience them, so we can give you firsthand knowledge and give you all of the tips and tricks. Please visit us at straightawaytravel.com and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Make sure to hit like and subscribe and go to www.straightawaytravel.com for all your vacation needs at 0 cost to you. We make your vacation perfect. You pay nothing more.